One of the most common challenges inside marketing agencies happens during client reporting. Account manager is asked a question about the data and suddenly he finds it difficult to share an answer with the client. My name is Salam from Insight Titan, where we empower businesses to make better decisions with data and drive growth. In most marketing agencies, the account managers are main point of contact for the clients. They manage the relationship, they coordinate campaigns, and they communicate results. So naturally, they are the ones that are presenting the reports and explaining performance. Whenever clients ask questions about the reports, account managers find it difficult to answer because they were never trained in analytics. So those questions come up and they have to circle back with the analytics team for clarification. This situation happens because the analytics inside the agencies are usually concentrated within a small number of specialists. This could be the analytics lead or the technical experts responsible for tracking and creating the reports. Everyone relies on them when something complex appears in the data or something they don't understand. The problem is that analytics questions do not only appear during analysis or when you're looking through the data. They mainly appear during client conversations. When account managers cannot confidently explain what the numbers mean, those conversations become slow and they become uncomfortable for the clients. When this gap exists, it affects both the agency and the client because the account manager is not sure about the data they are presenting. They can't answer questions about it. The analytics team are busy working on other projects for the business, and the client will also feel like it's taking too long to get a simple answer. Sometimes the discussion focuses more on understanding the numbers than improving the marketing performance. All these are caused by a gap in analytical literacy across the team. Agencies that handle this well usually take a simple approach. They help their teams build basic analytics understanding, even if they're not analysts. The account manager does not need to become a technical expert or doesn't need to learn how to write Python, but it will help them if they can understand the data, if they can understand how conversion is tracked, how attribution works, and why the numbers across the platforms differ. When account managers understand the fundamentals, the client conversations get smoother and it gets faster. They can also take this knowledge to internally question the data that is being provided. As marketing platforms are becoming more complex and AI tools are becoming more common across the platforms, clients are looking to ask deeper questions about their performance. And agencies that equip their team with the analytics knowledge get the edge because they can move the conversation quickly from explaining the data to improving the results. If this was useful to you or if it was valuable to you, do like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.